The best baby food makers of 2023 revealed. Nourish your little one. With many products on the market, picking the perfect item will be challenging. So we've chosen the best 6 products out there to make it easier for you. Please check the description for more information and its latest pricing. BEABA Babycook. Whether you're looking to steam, blend, defrost, and reheat veggies, fruits, fish, and meat, and also prepare potatoes. Though pricier than most other baby food makers, we discovered this BEABA Babycook premium food steamer, and the pureeing system is super packed with the necessary functions to make food for babies. Despite its simplicity, however, this device is a lot smarter than it looks. It's got an intelligent auto shutoff feature that turns the device off when not in use, so you don't end up wasting unnecessary power. It also has a recipe booklet that you can use to practice and make meals for your kid without any prior experience. The device might be a little too simple for those looking to be precise with their cooking, but other than that, it's a solid product. Unfortunately, you have to steam in one bowl, then transfer the contents to a different bowl before blending. This can be inconvenient and means more washing up. Cleaning-wise, however, it's pretty easy. Parents have commented that the water reservoir is hard to access, making it tricky to keep clean. Nutribullet Baby. Made by the company that's behind the popular Magic Bullets, the Nutribullet Baby works much in the same way, but is outfitted for homemade baby foods, right down to the adorable smiley faces printed on its blending and storage jar. You can blend in either the 32-ounce bowls to make large batches of puree, or in the 12-ounce handled cups for smaller portions to use right away. It comes with an impressive amount of storage, including 6 cups with a clever ring in the lid to record the date, and a freezer tray with space for half a dozen meals. This kit will put you well on your way to creating a serious backup stash of baby's favorite meals. And everything but the motor and blade can go straight into the dishwasher when it's time to clean up. The low price, simple operation, and assortment of accessories make the Nutribullet Baby appealing for new parents. But its mere 200-watt motor can really only handle fairly soft-cooked ingredients. Some reviewers also complain that the motor gives out, and seals on the blending cups start to give out after several months of heavy use. So this may be a better choice for a family using a mix of homemade and jarred baby food. Baby Brezza. A compact and more affordable alternative to the BEABA Babycooks, the Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Foods Maker Deluxe does a lot in a little space. Like the Babycook, it both steams and blends to different consistencies. It has 3 easy settings: steam and blends, steam only, or blend only. Its drawback is that it only allows you to blend foods to different consistencies if you watch carefully. Some parents have also found they need to blend foods a few times to get a smooth puree. Also, you will have to blend carefully to make chunkier meals as you progress with solids. However, the Baby Brezza food maker also comes with 3 reusable food pouches, unlike other brands. These are rather useful for storing, freezing, and taking your homemade foods on the go. In addition, you can buy an additional pack of easy fill pouches for all your storage and freezing needs. With a capacity of 3.5 cups, you'll be able to make a lot of batches of fresh food. That's quite a lot from one baby food processor. Sage Spoonfuls. The Sage Spoonfuls kit is great for small kitchens. It's a combination food processor and immersion blender you can use to make baby food or anything else that needs pureeing or chopping. The handheld stick blender can be used to blend soup, sauces, and steamed fruit and vegetables right in the pot. Or you can attach the motor to the food processor bowl to create finely chopped and minced food as your baby progresses to more advanced textures. The 4-cup food processor bowl is fairly small, albeit big enough for kid-sized meals, and the motor isn't the most powerful at just 300 watts, but for this cost, it's still a solid deal. Both attachments are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, and the bowl's plastic is free of BPA, phthalates, leads, and PVC. This set doesn't come with any storage containers, but the brand does offer a 10-piece and a 17-piece version that include a steamer plus plastic and glass containers, respectively. Babymoov. Do you want a baby food maker that is top of the line, versatile, and also functional? The Babymoov Duo Meal Station is the only baby food maker that supports simultaneous and separate steamings and blendings. You can start steaming another food or keep steaming one tray of food while blending another. That means you can complete larger batches of baby food in a short period, saving you time. Don't we all want to save some time? These functions are fantastic when you're steaming two foods that take different times to steam. For example, if you want to steam green pea, that only takes about 4 to 5 minutes. Sweet potatoes require 10 to 15 minutes of steaming. So you can start blending the pea while your sweet potatoes are still steaming. It's perfect for a busy mom or even for a mom with twins. There's always a catch though, right? Well, the Babymoov is a newer model, which is why it isn't at the top of our list. It needs to prove itself more. Also, it is costly, but you have to consider all the features that it allows you to do. Convenience costs money. Another negative is the size. With all of these features, it does take quite a bit of space, so it might not be a good purchase if you have limited counter space or lack of area for storage when not in use. BEABA. The sleek and modern-looking BEABA Babycook's Neo is a convenient system that can steam raw ingredients and blends them into ready-to-eat or ready-to-freeze baby meals in just 15 minutes. Plus, it can also defrost or reheat foods straight from the fridge or freezers, with no microwave required. Most of the models on this list have at least some plastic part that comes in contact with the food. These are usually free of BPA and other problematic chemicals. But if you are looking to avoid plastic altogether, the Babycook Neo is a great option. Nothing plastic comes in contact with the food or the steam used to cook it. There's a glass blending jar, stainless steel steaming racks, and water reservoir. This machine has a small footprint for its impressive capacities. At 5.5 cups, it can make 10 infant-sized servings at once. Whether you want to make applesauces, veggie purees, or multi-ingredient toddler meals, the process is easy. You fill the water reservoir and place foods in the steamer basket inserts. Touch the steam buttons to start the cooking process. When food is cooked, the units will automatically shut off and sound a timer. Then, you transfer your foods into the blender and hold the pulse buttons until the desired texture is reached. The brand also sells lidded glass storage containers and an insert for cooking rice, pasta, and grains. This isn't exactly an all-in-one machine, as you have to dump the food out of the steaming rack before blending. Everything happens in the same glass jar, but there's that one manual step in between.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.